If you're tired of having all your jewelry tangle up on you when you travel, this is the case that's going to be a game changer for you. I have loved this because it has so many different storage compartments that has made taking with me all my different earrings and bracelets and necklaces anytime I travel a piece of cake. It's made of a nice soft material on the outside, it's made of polyester and has a nice cool cotton feel to it as well as a neat design on the front. It has a metal clasp that holds this in place. On the inside it has 3 different zippered compartments. One of those is see-through, so it does allow you to see whatever you have in there, such as different earrings or bracelets. The zippers themselves are really nice and easy to open and close, and I've had no issue with them. I like the ring holder here because it allows me to take plenty of rings with me when I travel, and it has a secure metal buckle at the top so you don't have to worry about that coming off. I love the fact that it has separate places for you to take with you different stud earrings because I do wear a lot of those. It does have a metal clasp as well, and it's easy to open up, and that way you can see on the back your earrings are going to stay nice and secured. On the back side it has 3 different compartments that you can use for necklaces. I like the fact that it does come with a large, medium, and small compartment, so that does allow you to take necklaces of various sizes. As you can see here in the large compartment, I do have with me a pretty large necklace, and that had no issue storing right in the bottom of this here as well. And each of these also do have a button clasp on the top, so it's gonna keep your necklaces tangle free. This has done great for me every time I've traveled. It makes it really nice and easy to take a lot of things with me, and it comes on a very slim design when it's all buckled up, and it's worked really well. There's gonna be an affiliate link in the comments and description below. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.